The Farmers Insurance Open, a fan-favorite PGA Tour event, has ground to a halt today, leaving golfers and fans alike seeking answers. The primary culprit behind this unexpected suspension is none other than Mother Nature herself, as has been the case with many outdoor sporting events recently. Severe weather has wreaked havoc on the meticulously prepared fairways of Torrey Pines. Specifically, we are seeing reports of torrential rain and high winds battering the San Diego coast. These conditions make playing conditions not only incredibly difficult but also potentially dangerous for the athletes. Tournament officials made the difficult decision to suspend play to ensure player safety and to prevent further damage to the course itself. Imagine trying to hit a well-placed drive with gusts of wind threatening to blow your ball off course, or slick fairways making every step a risk. The course, while renowned for its resilience, simply cannot withstand this level of continuous precipitation without risking significant long-term damage. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the tournament throughout the weekend. While the exact duration of the suspension remains uncertain and will be dictated by the weather's progression, fans are eagerly awaiting news on when play will resume. It's a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of professional golf, especially when held at iconic coastal venues like Torrey Pines. We'll be keeping a close eye on the weather updates and course conditions, so be sure to stay tuned for the latest information on the Farmers Insurance Open. We'll provide updates as soon as they become available, so you don't miss a single swing when the action finally restarts.